Namaste. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'll be sharing this pink makeup look, bit of Korean style. So first I'm going to hide all my dark circles using color corrector that is in orange shade, and top of it I'm going to apply my skin shade and I will hide my dark circles. So I'm blending with the help of fingers. You can even blend with the help of brush, blending brush, or even your sponge. Next I'm applying this moisturizer plus SPF both because I forgot in the initial. Next I'm applying this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128, that is natural, I think. So all the product link I will give you in the description box. I'm dabbing it, like blending it with the help of beauty blender, and this is my overall base, but I'm going to give it some HD look. So for HD look I'm going to highlight all the highlighting points. So I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer to highlight the main dark spot area and give some HD effect, and I'm going to blend it with blender, and after this I'm going to pack everything. So yeah, for packing I'm using this HD compact, I think from its inside. Yeah, so I'm just applying all over my face and packing everything and dusting off excess powder. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows. First I'll comb with the help of spoolie and comb it properly so that it gets nice shape, and then fill with natural color. So if your eyebrow color is black, you can use black color. I'm using brown because my hair color is brown shade. Now I'm going to just wipe out all the foundations which is there on my lips, and I'm going to start with my eyeshadow with pink color. So yeah, I'm using this pink color and depositing all over my eyelid, and after this I'm going to just blend it with the help of brush. So for transition and for base effect you can use dark color or light color, whichever you like. I used light color, and first I deposit and then I blend it with the help of brush starting from the outer corner. Now I am depositing dark color and just blending it towards inner corner of my eyes. So this way I blend my eyeshadow, and I'm just using like pink and golden color. So for highlighting effect I'm using this golden color, and with the help of finger I'm just blending it just top of the eyeball. So with this I'm going to complete my eye look. So it's looking very natural chic, and then I'm going to blend all my eyeshadow and give the balance effect so that it blends, all the color blends very well with the each other. Now I'm going to apply this eyeliner, and in eyeliner I'm using Lakme Absolute, one of my favorite. I'm creating wing liner. So it's a matte finish eyeliner, and here is my final look of eyeliner. And now I will complete my eyeshadow using pink color shade and will apply it directly on my lower lash line of eyes and complete this look. Now I'm applying kajal, and this is in white color. You can also apply black kajal, but I'm applying white to give more big eye effect. Now I'm applying blush, which is from brand Sugar, and that is in rose color shade. So yeah, this is my overall blush technique that I use to apply blush. And now I want only slight highlighter. I don't want very shimmery effect, very shiny effect on my face. So I'm applying a very little highlighter and completing this look with the help of Estee Lauder lipstick, and that is in the shade pink. And this lipstick is one of my favorite one. It's like easily glides on your lips, and it's very smooth, very lightweight, and the payoff is good. So would highly recommend Estee Lauder lipsticks. And here is my final look. Now we'll complete this look wearing hoop earrings. So this is the look that I have created, and I saw this look in one of uh, YouTube makeup tutorial. It was in Korean style. So yeah, I hope you love it. If at all, yes, do subscribe for more. Bye bye.